He's putting his quarters in. He's going to put all of it in the palm of his hand and feed it to the chickadees.
Okay,
Try this one right here.
oh God, they're like fast. There they go.
How does that feel?
Focus.
Pokish?
That one's actually kind of nice.
He wants to be your girlfriend.